Good evening, friends. Let's come back to the Indian Volleyball League, the final match between Assam Police and National Security Guard, that is Black Cats. This is the final round that is going on. Our যিবিলাক students বা viewers আগতে আমাৰ এই খেলখন দেখা নাছিলে বা চোৱা নাছিলে তেওঁলোকক মই পুনৰ ৰিকুৱেষ্ট কৰিছো, please subscribe the channel so that you can get the videos really, and if you see the videos really, then you will be able to understand the concept that I am going to give you. And now the final game that is going on, what is the main topic of the game, that is tense. And in the last class we talked about the present indefinite tense. The first one, present. This is the Indian volleyball team or আমাৰ যিখন খেল চলি আছে তাত যিটো আসাম পুলিচৰ যিটো টিম আছে, that is present indefinite tense. এই টিমটো আমি সেইদিনাখন আলোচনা কৰিছিলো আৰু এই টেন্সটো বা এই টিমটো বহুত সাপোৰ্টাৰ আছে। মই ভিউৱাৰসকলক এটা কথা ক'ব বিচাৰিছো যে আমাৰ টিম বিলাকৰ বহুত সাপোৰ্টাৰ আছে আৰু সাপোৰ্টাৰ বিলাকে এই যে প্ৰেজেন্ট ইনডেফিনিট টেন্স যিটো আমি কৈ আছো এই টিমটো ভাল পোৱাৰ বহুত সাপোৰ্টাৰ আছে। কি কাৰণে ভাল পায় তাৰ দুটা কাৰণ কালি আমি আলোচনা কৰিলো। নাম্বাৰ 1 যে it is used to state any universal fact, universal truth or general truth. This is number 1. Number 2, in habitual action or habitual truth. For these two reasons, this present indefinite tense is very much liked by the supporters. And number C, there are so many reasons. In the last class I told you that I will give you so many reasons why present indefinite tense is so popular, why present indefinite tense is used very often. This is the one reason that I am going to give you, that is suppose permanent action. কিবা এটা কাম যেটো already permanent, that cannot be changed. In that sense we can use present indefinite tense. For example, the house stands, stands on a suppose huge rock. এই সেন্টেন্সটো এটা ডাঙৰ শিল এটা পাহাৰত সাধাৰণতে ডাঙৰ শিলৰ ওপৰত ঘৰ বনোৱা হয়, তাৰ এটা উদাহৰণ মই দিছো। The house stands, stands on a big বা huge rock. এই যিটো stands, that stands is a present indefinite tense. এইটো permanent, ঘৰটো একবাৰ বনোৱাৰ পিছত that becomes permanent, it cannot be changed. Number 2, for example, the Ranghar that we all know, the famous Ranghar, the first pavilion in Asia. It was built by, who built it? It was built by Pramod Singh, the Ahom king Pramod Singh. Ranghar is situated. Where is it situated? It is situated at Rangpur. Ranghar is situated at Rangpur. This is present indefinite tense. Member is situated. It is in passive voice form, but the tense is present tense, present indefinite tense. So the action that is permanent, that cannot be changed, it is used in present indefinite tense. This is one number and one example. Like that, we can give one or two more examples. I am giving one more example of the permanent action that cannot be changed. The shift door. Suppose the shift door is do you know what is the height of the shift door? Okay, it is 104 feet. I am adding the word 4 feet high. The shift door is 104 feet high. 104 foot ওখ. These two examples I am giving from the Assamese history. That shift door is 104 feet high. It cannot be changed. It has become a permanent action. Shift door is 104 feet high. In this way, we can use present indefinite tense, or present indefinite tense is used to mean permanent action. This is the another example of present indefinite tense. Why is it so popular? মই সিদিনাখন আগৰ ক্লাছত এটা কথা তোমাক কৈছিলো যে জেনাৰেলি আমি দেখো যে প্ৰেজেন্ট ইনডেফিনিট টেন্সৰ কথা যেতিয়া আমি আলোচনা কৰো, জেনাৰেলি ইট ইজ সে that present indefinite tense is used to mean generally two things. One is the permanent action, one is universal truth. Sorry, not permanent action. Generally said, it is the universal truth and habitual action to mean that two facts present indefinite tense is used. But সাধাৰণতে আমি কি দেখো যে প্ৰেজেন্ট ইনডেফিনিট টেন্সটো চিৰন্তন সত্য বাক্য আৰু অভ্যাসগত কাম বুজাবৰ কাৰণে, সদায় কৰা কাম বুজাবৰ কাৰণে প্ৰেজেন্ট ইনডেফিনিট টেন্স ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হয়। আৰু এই যিটো ধাৰণা, এই ধাৰণাটো লিমিটেড এটা ধাৰণা, গতিকে আমি উই শুড কাম আউট অফ দ্যাট লিমিটেশন and we should know something more than that. That is why I am giving you so many examples of using of present indefinite tense. And present indefinite tense, this is the theme which is very popular, which is supported by so many supporters. These are the various reasons, and I am giving you the reasons for which this present indefinite tense is popular. Number 4 or D, which suppose adverbs of time with present indefinite tense is used with adverbs of time. সময় বুজোৱা যিবিলাক adverbs থাকে, এই adverbs of time বিলাকৰ লগত এটো ইউজ হয়, যেনে for often, always, usually. Students, please write the words or please write the examples that I am giving you. Don't hesitate, don't think about, just write the examples. লিখি যোৱা, লিখিবলৈ লিখাৰ অভ্যাসটো হ'লে গ্ৰামাৰ ইজ লাইক এ মেথমেটিক্স, যে প্ৰেক্টিছ কৰি থাকিলে তোমালোকৰ বুজাত সহজ হ'ব, মনত থকাত সহজ হ'ব। So I am repeatedly requesting you to write down. Often, always, usually, occasionally, suppose on days, on Sundays, on Sunday নহয়, Sundays হয়, on Sundays, Mondays, Tuesdays and again. Once in a year, once in twice in a year, এনেকৈ হ'ব পাৰে, বছৰেকত দুবাৰ, বছৰেকত এবাৰ. These are some examples of time adverbs or time adverbs that is very often used. And this often word is itself a time adverb. And with these time adverbs, present indefinite tense is used. Okay, what are the adverbs? Generally used adverbs that express time. The সময় বুজোৱা adverbs বিলাক generally হৈছে always, often, always, usually, occasionally, on Sundays, once in a year, twice in a year, on Mondays, Tuesdays, any day. In this way, this present indefinite tense is used. For example, I am giving one or two examples of using such types of adverbs. Adverb types. How? Suppose in these days, the doctors are advising us to wash our hands very often. That is why I am asking you. For example, how often do you wash your hands? Do you wash your hands? How often? This often. Time adverb. How often do you wash your hands? In this sense, we use present indefinite tense. When we see this word, I am circling it. Do. That do is when we see the helping word do, we immediately recognize that this is a present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense of বাক্য do আছে, গতিকে আমি do to যেতিয়া জানিলো যে present indefinite tense of বাক্য. Okay, now in the same way, another example I am giving you another example. He always I am using the word always, the man always always goes for a walk in the morning. Okay. The man always goes for a walk in the morning. This word always, it is an adverb of time. Hodai, ratipua, hodai, khuzkari bole jay. Goes is the word or helping word that we have seen here, and we know immediately, we can recognize now, we are now in a position to recognize the sentence immediately that this sentence belongs to present indefinite tense, because we see the word do, the goes. In this way, present indefinite tense is used with adverbs of time. In the same way, we can cite many examples, but now I am not going to give much more. You do yourself, you practice yourself. Now come to point number E. Okay, these are some reasons why the present indefinite tense is so much popular. The supporters like this present indefinite tense so much. Another reason that the supporters like this tense, that is present indefinite tense. Another reason of use or another uses of present indefinite tense is the time clause with time clause or লগতো হ'ব পাৰে। আগতে আমি কি কৈছিলো, এটা ক্যাপিটাল দিছো ওৰটো। আগতে আমি কিহৰ লগত কৈছিলো, টাইম adverbs, now time clause। আমি পিছত ক্লজৰ বিষয়ে আলোচনা কৰিম নিশ্চয়। Now write with time clause. It's a time clause, for example, whenever I am using this word, whenever it rains, the dog barks. Amar eta kukur asile, kukurbe borokon dile bhuke. This is the present indefinite tense and this is the time clause. Whenever it rains, this part is called a clause. Clause is a part of a big sentence, and this clause has the subject and verb. This subject and verb, and it is a clause of the bigger sentence. Now this clause is a time clause, and when we see the time clause jetia hoy, time clause jetia bibahar hoy, present indefinite tense ami generally bibahar koru. Number 2, suppose another time clause, as soon as he earns money, he spends spends it. এতিয়া এই সেন্টেন্সটো আমি কি দেখিলো, this is also a present indefinite tense. Spend wordটো আছে, the first wordটো আছে, আমি যে কৈছো first form, second form, third form, the first form আছে লগত s যোগ হৈ আছে। এতিয়া আমি যেটো স্ট্ৰাকচাৰ বিষয়ে আলোচনা কৰিম, তেতিয়া আমি s টো বিষয়ে আমি আলোচনা কৰিম। Now you see the spend ৰ লগত s যোগ হৈছে, তাৰ লগত ing যোগ হোৱা নাই, d বা ed যোগ হোৱা নাই, গতিকে এটো ফাৰ্স্ট ফৰ্ম অফ দা ভাৰ্ব, that is present indefinite tense, আমি এটো চিনি পালো। আৰু এই যেটো as soon as he earns money, up to this part, this is a clause, this is a time clause. The time clause মানে clause to time refer হৈছে, adverb time clause বুলি কয়। গতিকে এই যেটো clause to as a মানে adverb হিচাপে বহিছে, গতিকে time clause বুলি কোৱা হৈছে। time clause লিখোতে present indefinite tense ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হয়, এই কথাটো মনত ৰাখিব লাগে। ওকে, should I wrap it? Okay, তোমালোকে ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকলে লিখি যাবা। মই অলপ ফাষ্ট হৈছো নেকি, যদি ফাষ্ট হৈছো অলপ স্লো হ'লে ট্ৰাই কৰিম। ওকে, নাও উইথ টাইম ক্লজটো পালো। নাও ef, মই নাম্বাৰটা পাহৰি যাব পাৰোঁ, গতিকে f টো লিখি লৈছো। ইয়াৰ পিছতে আমি আৰু কেতিয়া ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁ, এটা কোটেশন যেতিয়া আমি দিওঁ, এটা উইথ সাপোজ দিস ওয়ার্ড, say, remember, Another point. When present indefinite tense is used, which say, it is the verb say, word to jetia ami, which say when used to give quotation. Quotation from a book or notice. It is an important point that is to be remembered. The কিতাপৰ পৰা নটিছৰ পৰা কিতাপ হওক বা নটিছ যেতিয়া আমি জাননী বা কিতাপৰ পৰা কিবা এটা আমি কোটেশন পুট কৰোঁ কোটেশন যেতিয়া আমি দিওঁ কোট কৰোঁ উদ্ধৃতি কিবা এটা বাক্য উদ্ধৃতি দিওঁ তেতিয়া আমি এই সে ৱৰ্ডটো যেতিয়া ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁ তেতিয়া সদায় এইটো ইট বিকামছ প্ৰেজেন্ট ইনডেফিনিট টেন্স প্ৰেজেন্ট ইনডেফিনিট টেন্সত ইউজ কৰা হয় ফৰ এক্সাম্পল কোৱেশ্চনটা হৈছে যেনিবা what does the book say? Question of issue. What does the book say? কিতাপখনে কি কৈছে? কিতাপখনে কি কৈছে means what is said in the book. In that sense, what does the book say? Question to answer to কি বুলিছে? মানুহজনে যেনিবা answer to দিলে the book says. The book says quotation to কি বুলি দিলে? যে suppose be kind. My example that is be kind to the poor. This is the quotation. Suppose কিতাপখনৰ এটা quotation আছে যে কিতাপখনৰ quotation টো দিয়া হৈছে যে be kind to the poor. In this way, quotation যেতিয়া দিওঁ আমি this present indefinite tense says is used. এটা এটা important point মনত ৰাখিব লাগে. When giving quotation from a book or a notice board, we use this present indefinite tense with the verb say. Another example, this is an example from a book. Now give one. I am giving you another example from a notice board. The সাধাৰণতে আমি দেখোঁ the notice board says notice board খনত কি লিখা আছে no parking. No parking. এটো সাধাৰণতে আমি দেখোৱে টাউনত দেখো নগৰ চহৰত দেখো যে যতে ততে কিছুমান জায়গাত নো পাৰ্কিং লিখা থাকে তাত গাড়ী ৰাখিব নোৱাৰে বা ৰাখিব নোৱাৰে গতিকে এই যে নো পাৰ্কিং লিখা আছে this says to সদায় প্ৰেজেন্ট ইনডেফিনিট টেন্সত ব্যৱহাৰ হয় said by is saying বুলি নহয় the notice board is saying we don't use sentence like that way we say rather the notice board says no parking. This is the appropriate form and this is the right sentence. So what we have learned from this point we have learned that present indefinite tense is used to quote give quotation tamane give quote mane hoise give quotation from any notice board or book and we use the word say and it always becomes present indefinite tense. This is another point. These are some minute points that we should know, we should remember when we are talking about present indefinite tense. Sorry. Okay. EF hol aru dueta আলোচনা কৰো EFG. G to সাধাৰণতে যিবিলাক আমি হেৰি present action any present action it's very easy general very present action ধৰি লওক for example it rains মানে বৰষুণ দি আছে আমি কৈছো it rains. Number 2, it sleeps. Sleep করে পিছল it sleeps. He speaks how এটা সেন্টেন্স কৈছো how speedily ধৰি লওক how speedily he speaks. How speedily he speaks. He speaks it sleeps, it rains. These are some present action which are how he walks. In the same way, how he walks. Another sentence I can give you in the same way. How he walks. How he walks. These are present indefinite tense. He walks, sleeps, she rains, birds, says. In this way, in any present action, present indefinite tense can be used. Here he eats. Another point. With conditional sentence, another very important point. With conditional sentence. Conditional sentence. ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকলক মই অনুৰোধ কৰিছো পুনৰবাৰ তোমালোকে এই পইণ্টছ বিলাক মনত ৰাখিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিবা যে আমি অকল দুটা কথা জানিলে নহব যে ইউনিভাৰ্সেল ট্ৰুথ আৰু হেবিচুৱেল একচনত প্ৰেজেন্ট ইনডেফিনিট টেন্স ইউজ হয় এটো ভেৰি একেবাৰে জেনেৰেল এটা কথা এটো একেবাৰে কমন কথা তাতকে আমি অলপ এক্সপেন্সিভ জানিব লাগে to know the language. These are some practices that I am giving you with some examples. There with conditional sentence. For example, আমি যে কওঁ যে বৰষুণ দিলে মই ওলাই নাযাম suppose the sentence if it rains I shall not go out. It is sentence. If it rains, it is condition. যদি বৰষুণ দিয়ে এতিয়ালৈকে দিয়া না the action is not going on. If it rains, there is the probability of giving rain. So the condition is there. Jodi borokhon diye moi ulai na jao. I shall not go. It is future tense. But here I am using, or we can use present indefinite tense in conditional sentence. Number 2. Eta sentence ta kon dikholia sentence ta obo disu. Unless you take the break off. Unless you take the break off the car. What is so? Sentence about mohai disu. Eto continue korisu lo upor leke loi jaisu. The car won't move. যেতিয়ালৈকে তুমি কন্ডিশনটো কি গাড়ীখন নচলিব কেতিয়ালৈকে নচলিব কন্ডিশনটো কি যেতিয়ালৈকে ব্ৰেকডাল এৰি দিবা unless you take the brake off condition that is the condition যেতিয়ালৈকে গাড়ীখনৰ ব্ৰেকটো এৰি দিবা তেতিয়ালৈকে গাড়ীখন নচলিব this is the condition গাড়ীখন চলিবলৈ হলে ব্ৰেকডাল এৰি দিব লাগিব this is the condition so in this way write